This is one of the hottest, most lifeless places on Earth. The ground is cracked. The air hits 120 degrees. Acid bubbles up in neon pools, and lava glows in the dark. Nothing should survive here. And yet, this is the exact spot where humanity was born. But here's what almost nobody tells you. This desert is slowly ripping a continent in two. And one day, the ocean is coming back to swallow it. This is the Afar Triangle, where Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Djibouti meet. At its heart sits the Danakil Depression, more than 400 feet below sea level, one of the lowest points in Africa. It might look like another planet, but it's very much Earth, just Earth at its most extreme. Temperatures here regularly pass 113 degrees, making it one of the hottest inhabited places on the planet. At a spot called Dalal, the ground oozes acid springs in impossible colors. Beautiful in photos, but they could dissolve your shoes. And then there's Erta Ale, a volcano with a lake of liquid lava that's been bubbling for over 100 years. Part oven, part chemistry accident, part open volcano. But here's where it gets strange. This burning desert was once the bottom of the sea. Millions of years ago, water from the Red Sea flooded in again and again, and the sun boiled it away, leaving salt behind. The result? Salt flats running hundreds of feet deep. Even today, Afar people carve out blocks of salt by hand and load them onto camels, literally mining the ghost of an ancient ocean. So why is this land sitting so far below sea level, sinking and cracking all at once? The answer is hiding deep underground, and it's the same reason scientists call this one of the most important places on Earth. Right beneath the Afar, 3 giant pieces of the Earth's crust are pulling apart. Think of the planet's surface like a cracked eggshell. Here, 3 plates meet at one point. The Nubian plate holding most of Africa, the Somali plate on the eastern edge, and the Arabian plate. They're creeping apart just a few millimeters a year, about the speed your fingernails grow. But give it time, and that becomes unstoppable. And sometimes it isn't slow at all. In 2005, in just a few weeks, a crack tore across the desert near the Dabahu volcano, around 35 miles long and 25 feet wide. Molten rock surged up to fill it. Geologists were stunned. Movements they expected to take centuries had happened in days, like watching the planet split in fast forward. And the Afar isn't alone. This same rift runs thousands of miles through East Africa. In 2018, a huge crack reportedly opened in Kenya, swallowing part of a road. The bigger picture is clear. This whole zone is a long scar where the continent is being pulled apart, one crack at a time. Now here's the scary part. This won't stop. As the plates separate, the land keeps dropping lower. Eventually, scientists say the sea will break through. Water from the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden will come rushing in. And once it does, there's no taking it back. A brand new ocean will be born, right where this desert bakes today. When that happens, the map changes forever. The eastern slice of Africa, parts of Somalia, Kenya, and Ethiopia, breaks away into its own landmass, a new mini-continent. And Africa will no longer be one solid shape. It'll have a fresh coastline carved right through where the desert used to be. And this isn't far-off fantasy. It's happening right now. GPS instruments measure the land spreading apart year after year. It's the only place on Earth where you can watch an ocean being born on dry land, while the Afar people keep living on a continent that's quietly tearing itself in half. And here's the wild part. This region gave us Lucy, one of the oldest human ancestors ever found, the cradle of humankind. So the place where our story began could one day become the birthplace of an ocean. The desert that was once a sea is slowly becoming a sea again. So hey, if this pacified your curiosity, give the video a like and share it with a friend who thinks the map will always look the same. It won't.